Hi, welcome to my channel. Let's make light, quick and simple veggie rice recipe. Add oil. Add ghee or clarified butter, which is optional. Add spices. Star anise, 4 cardamoms, 1 big cardamom and 2 small cinnamon stick. Thinly slice small onion and few curry leaves. Two chopped green chilies. A half tsp ginger garlic paste. 1 tsp chopped carrot. 1 tsp green peas soaked for 10 minutes. 1 tsp sweet corn soaked for 10 minutes. 1 tsp soaked soy chunks. 3/4 tsp salt. 2 cups of rice. Few coriander or cilantro leaves. Take it off after a few minutes and the rice is ready. Thanks for watching.